Now hopefully you had fun with the wet into wet technique and managed to get some different tones. We're going to have a go now at doing that inside a box, which is much harder. So my advice, starting from the middle, just add a little bit of water and don't go too close to the edges. Again, we're going to start off with the lightest colour, which it was the yellow. And we're just dotting that about. I'm being a bit more careful now and a bit slower. Pick up my water. We need to make sure that we're not using too much because it could run out of the edges. So just a little bit at a time. If I do go near the edge, I'm going to be very careful to use the tip of the paintbrush. This is where you are showing your skill. So slow right down. Now I don't have to paint everywhere in the box because I have got 2 other colours that I'm going to add to it. I'm going to pick up a little bit of orange now, and some of them spaces I'm going to put some orange. Remember, if it's a darker colour, pick up less of the paint. We want to be able to draw onto these, and if it's too dark, you're not going to see you drawing on top. Don't be scared to leave some white areas, that might look nice. There we go. Now I'm going to get a little bit of red, just using the tip of the paintbrush as it's a dark colour. And just spotting that about. And as I do have quite a bit of water in that box, I don't need to pick up any more because it's moving around quite easily on its own. And there we go. Wet into wet. If you feel like it's too dark, what we can do is, using a little bit of tissue paper, we can soak some of that up. I don't have tissue paper around me. All I have is a cotton bud. So I'm going to try to take some of that colour up so that it's not too dark. But that is personal preference. I'm quite happy with that now. Have a go yourself.